morning sickness, ugh, or for some of us, all day sickness. It really sucks or blows. And we don't want to feel it, right? We want things that will help to soothe that nausea, help us not vomit, or replace everything that we lost if we do vomit. So these are my essentials for a morning sickness survival kit. I recommend having these items by your bed and having a little bag filled with these items that you take with you everywhere, to work, on a trip, to make sure you're always good to go if that nausea or vomiting hits. Okay, so number one, salty crackers. That salt can help with the nausea. The carby goodness helps to soak up any yuck that's going on in your stomach. Just nibbling on the crackers can really help. A lot of women, their stomach hurts so much in the morning because most of the time it's empty. So having those crackers by your bed and just even having a couple right when you wake up, sipping a little bit of water can help to quell that first thing in the morning sickness. Okay, ginger or peppermint tea, they're both great for soothing an upset tummy. Bubbly water with a squirt of lemon juice can be great. If you want a special treat, you can get an organic version of, a Sprite or a ginger ale. Most health food stores have organic versions of these. They use organic sugar. Again, you don't want to have them all the time because, again, they are high in sugar, but they can be a nice special treat that soothes the tummy. You can also make ice cubes out of these, which can be really nice because it makes the taste last longer, but you don't get as much sugar from it. So making ice cubes out of those organic sodas can be really nice. And just ice cubes in general can help to give you just like little bits of water that don't make you want to vomit, but also help you stay hydrated. Peppermint essential oils, you can dab a little bit on your pulse points and take a big whiff. You can put some on a tissue and smell that. Peppermint is a lifesaver with nausea. I really like, it's a brand called Morning Ease, and they have lemon ginger lozenges because both lemon and ginger can work together to soothe an upset tummy. Mints can be really nice, peppermint mints, and they can be nice after you vomit. I mean, hopefully you can actually brush your teeth, but if you're out and about and you don't have your toothbrush, having a few mints handy can be lifesavers, because if you vomit, you have the taste of it in your mouth and you get more sick. It's a vicious cycle. So have mints with you. Hair ties, if you do need to vomit, you want to be able to get your hair back. A cool wash rag. So always just having like a small little washcloth in your survival kit can be nice, because sometimes when we're nauseous, we can get sweaty and really hot. So just running it under cold water and just pressing it on your forehead and on your chest can feel really good. You can also put a few drops of your peppermint essential oil on it, and that can up the benefits of that cool wash rag. An eye mask. So sometimes like the sunlight and all the stimulation of what's going on around us makes it even harder to handle the nausea. So if you just want to block everything out and just fully focus on like breathing and relaxing and getting yourself out of that nausea, having a really comfortable eye mask can help. Watermelon juice, like frozen cubes of watermelon. That's one of my favorite ways to get in the watermelon. It can soothe nausea, but it can also help to replace vitamin B6 and magnesium that is commonly lost when we throw up. Sea-Bands. So this is a brand, and it looks like just like a sweat absorbent kind of bracelet thing. And it has this little knob in it that presses on a pressure point right here that helps to prevent nausea. If you don't have one of these bands, you can also just press right here. That can help to get rid of nausea. I used it when we were on a boat going snorkeling in Australia. And oh my God, I felt so miserable. But when I started to use that pressure point or press on that pressure point, it helped a lot. And last but not least, barf bags. Yay! There is nothing worse than like being in the car or in an area where you can't quickly get to a bathroom and like barfing on yourself or in an airplane or in a car. So having those barf bags handy can be lifesavers. Those are my main nausea soothers, morning sickness, survival kit items. If you have other ones that I didn't mention, please list them below in the comments. I would love to get your tips as well.